Hi everyone! Welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your Meesho account. To delete your Meesho account, launch open the Meesho app on your device and log into it first. Once you are logged in, from the home page, tap on your username or your profile picture at the top left. This will take you to the Accounts tab. Simply go ahead and tap on your username at the top, and from the Edit Profile Information page, tap on Settings at the top. Inside Setting, you will see the Delete My Account button. Tap on it and then go through the information first. If you proceed to delete your account, you will not be able to return or cancel your orders that are not yet delivered. You will not be able to check your old orders, and you won't be able to check your saved address, payment methods, and wish list. You will lose out on the latest offers and discount and access to the Meesho credits and balance. If you want to continue deletion, tap on Continue and then select why you are trying to get rid of the account from the menu. Now, tap on Delete Account at the bottom right corner and follow through the instructions, and that way you will be able to delete your Meesho account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.